This Amazon luxury modern prefab cabin is super strong, with reinforced walls and a sloped roof that handles heavy snow. Its aerodynamic design helps it stand up to strong winds, especially in stormy coastal areas. It has been tested with rigorous simulations to make sure it can handle anything. You won't need big machines to build this cabin. Its lightweight panels, only 50 kilograms each, can be moved by hand and connected without tools. All the hookups for electricity and plumbing are pre-aligned, so a 19-foot unit can be ready in just 8 hours with basic tools. No special construction skills needed. Stay comfy year-round with the cabin's advanced insulation. It has multiple layers to keep the heat out in the desert and the cold out in the mountains. This design also blocks outside noise, giving you a quiet, stable environment. The cabin's single-story layout makes the most of every inch, letting you easily adjust sleeping and showering areas. The strong floors can hold heavy gear, and clever window placement gives you lots of natural light without sacrificing privacy. You can even rearrange the wall panels after it's built to create your perfect space. That it's been tested in 200 hours of hurricane-force winds and simulated 8.0 magnitude earthquakes. Since 2021, it's been actually used in mountains, deserts, and coastal areas, proving its durability in real-world conditions. Please check the link in the description for more info. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.